that was the boulot. That's what we did. That's your coffee, man. Yeah, that was the job.
The super sweet one.
Yeah. That was the job so that you can relax a little bit. Let's go. But a sweet song though. It doesn't have to be.
Yeah. Make it easy on me.
No. You already on the millions, you know?
Millions of what?
Views.
Hey!
Yeah.
I'm kidding, guys. I love you all.
Yeah, you already but you're already on the millions though. Yeah.
Oh my god.
She's on the millions though.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
She's on the millions, it's true. Yeah. Yeah, she's on the millions. I think it's you, well, her.
La vie.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, before you start, let's go. Before you start.
Oh yeah, oh my god.
You have to do the logo first, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start the music. You start with the logo.
Yeah.
And then I'll be able to.
You go like this. Boom. Out. Yeah.
Comment? J'en ai comme ça?
Yeah. So you start right here. Yeah, right here. Or on the floor, you know. Yeah.
Est-ce qu'on est prêt?
Okay, hold on. I just want to know what's my entrance.
Un plan séquence.
Like this. Look, like this. I keep on talking and then pa. Okay? Yeah.
Oh Lord.
Okay, am I starting the music?
Hold on.
Oh, this is something else.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm getting out of the way.
Ok, est-ce qu'on est prêt?
On est prêt. Welcome, mi gente. It's your boy Dr. Kizomba, and right now we are at the Dr. Kizomba studios, as you can see, okay? I got 1 million viewers, all right, for this amazing lady, okay, by the name of Angelina, okay? Angelina, okay, my student from Montreal. Come on, girl, okay? She's amazing, she's dancing very good, and I'm so proud to do another private with her, and she will make no mistakes, I promise.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Mal
What you filming yourself on here?
I was filming the logo with your reflection.
Okay.
No. Why would I feel
Get that was like, and then. All right.
No.
Airdrop.
Wait. Job.
That was very good.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, I made a few mistakes.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, just a little bit.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. That was good, and I got easy on you too. So
Yeah, that was
so
awesome. Thank
I could have booked a little bit more, but yeah, wasn't necessary.
Contracts only.
Everyone for 10 minutes?
These because Mr. Napa.
Well, it's not that many. Bon, le tour de la veille à la compagnie.